Hello everyone, this is Hitaishi and I'm here to share a presentation on post-performance nutrition strategies for enhancing recovery in female cricketers. Nutrition is the study of foods, nutrients and their effect on health, growth and development of the individual athlete. Sports nutrition has recently emerged as recognized specialty area within the field of nutrition. Cricketers need to fuel their bodies every day to meet the physiological and metabolic demands of the sport. Cricket athletes endure intense physical exertion during matches and require specialized nutritional strategy to support their recovery and to enhance their performance. The objective of this study is to provide evidence-based nutritional recommendations for one-day cricket format. The subject in this study is a female athlete, a 23-year-old all-rounder who specializes in batting and as a medium-pace bowler, representing at an elite level. The recent DEXA scan results present an intergrowing profile standing at 158 cm and weighing 53.8 kg. The athlete has a body fat percentage of 29.4%, slightly above the average of their age group. The athlete's lean mass is 35.7 kg, fat mass is 15.8 kg, and the bone mineral content is 2.2 kg. As an all-rounder, increasing lean mass in the legs and trunk would improve lower body power, agility, and stamina. Strengthening of the upper body would improve in batting power and throwing ability. As observed, there were slight muscle imbalances present between the left and right limbs, which can result in injuries if not addressed. Hence, unilateral strength training can correct these imbalances. The athlete's bone mineral content is acceptable but needs monitoring during high intensity activities. Strong bones can be maintained with impact workouts by getting adequate calcium and vitamin D, which helps the athlete improve on field performance by losing fat mass and increasing lean muscle, with a target to reduce it to 26.2% to optimize athletic performance, particularly in fat-rich areas like the glenoid and legs with targeted strength training and some dietary modifications. Cricket is a non-contact intermittent sport played for hours or several days. All-rounders face specific challenges in cricket, a high-intensity sport that requires sophisticated physical abilities. Running between the wicket, fielding and bowling require intense bursts of aerobic and anaerobic energy interspaced with periods of low-intensity activity like walking and standing in the field for long hours. Cricket physical and locomotor demands are greater for all-rounders, which require a balanced approach to training and nutrition. Elite athletes face nutritional concerns with continuous competitions, travel, and fluctuating match times, which makes nutrition planning challenging for athletes to maintain peak performance throughout the season. In cricket, athletes must possess explosive power, enduring strength, and unwavering agility. Batters rely on lower body and core strength, while bowlers need robust shoulder, legs, and core for consistent power deliveries. Fielders require sharp agility and speed. Enhancing lean mass and reducing fat can significantly improve sprinting ability and endurance. In a one-day game, an all-rounder covers approximately about 10 to 12 kilometers in a match, including sprints and directional changes. Maintaining high-intensity effort and recovering quickly from the exertion requires a well-rounded physical preparation and optimal nutritional support. Moving on. Post-performance need analysis for recovery is to identify fatigue levels, muscle soreness, hydration status, assess energy expenditure during match and nutrient depletion. The goal is to improve muscle recovery, replenish energy stores, and correct imbalances. Nutrition program goals for recovery to reduce body fat and improve lean muscle mass, to enhance recovery through proper macronutrient balance, optimize hydration and micronutrient intake, example calcium, vitamin D, and iron, and overall performance improvement and preventing injuries. Moving on. There are four key recovery goals: replenish energy stores, promote muscle repair, optimize hydration, and support recovery. First comes the carbohydrates that are crucial for replenishing glycogen stores after intense match play. The athlete's daily intake of 5 to 7 grams per kg of carbohydrates helps restore energy. Sources like oats, brown rice, and sweet potato, etc. Protein is essential for muscle repair, especially to meet the physical demands of batting and bowling. Athletes need about 1.4 to 2.0 gram per kg of protein to support recovery and muscle growth. Sources like eggs, yogurt, and quinoa. Good fats are essential for hormone production and sustain energy for long term and are crucial for reducing inflammation. The sources like avocado, olive oil, and fatty fish. Next comes dehydration and electrolytes. Particularly after long matches in hot condition, athletes need 2 to 2.5 liters per day of water, sodium, potassium, and magnesium to aid in recovery. Micronutrients like vitamin D, calcium, and iron are essential for bone health, muscle function, and oxygen transport. Given the oxidative stress and inflammation caused by repeated training and matches, athletes can benefit from foods rich in antioxidants such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts. Omega-3 fatty acids help in reduce inflammation and aid in recovery. Sleep around 7 to 9 hours of recovery helps muscle repair and overall performance readiness. Moving on, post performance nutrition plays a critical role in optimizing recovery and enhancing the overall performance of female cricketers. By focusing on replenishing glycogen stores with adequate carbohydrates, promoting muscle repair and growth with high quality proteins, and maintaining hydration with electrolytes, athletes can ensure their body recovered efficiently. Through a tailored recovery plan that includes sleep, proper nutrition timing, and attention to muscle imbalances, athletes can not only perform better but also prevent injuries and sustain peak performance throughout the season. By following these evidence-based strategies, helps female cricketers to improve their recovery. Moving on to the reflection, evidence-based recommendations make it easier for athletes to understand and follow the plans. With continuous monitoring and feedback will help refine the athlete's nutrition and recovery strategies. By ensuring commitment from athletes will directly impact on their performance and well-being. It was a great learning experience. And here are the following reference articles I have used for my presentations. Thank you for your attention.